The newest model in the Bugatti Veyron family, now named the Bugatti Tourbillon, is an impressive evolution blending hypercar power with advanced hybrid technology as the successor to the Chiron. The Tourbillon features a groundbreaking hybrid V16 engine that produces a remarkable 1,800 horsepower and 2,300 newton-meters of torque. This power enables it to reach a top speed of 277 miles per hour and accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a mere 2 seconds, showcasing a clear leap in performance over previous Bugatti models. The Tourbillon is not only about speed, its design pushes boundaries as well. Engineers have reimagined the iconic horseshoe grille side C-line and new flying fenders that improve aerodynamics and create a more streamlined shape. A lowered front end optimizes airflow, while unique structural elements like a large rear diffuser contribute both aesthetically and functionally. This model also boasts an entirely redesigned cabin with the gearbox positioned behind the engine, allowing for a more compact and performance-oriented cockpit layout. The Tourbillon's hybrid powertrain includes an 800-volt battery, enabling a brief, all-electric mode for city driving. While primarily aimed at maximizing power delivery, it offers a touch of eco-consciousness and reflects Bugatti's direction towards future-ready hypercars, expected to debut at over $4 million. This model continues Bugatti's tradition of blending luxury with cutting-edge engineering, promising an exceptional driving experience. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe channel, like share video.